You know, it's been a long time since we've started a video in front of the Bojangles. So I hope you guys know today's video is gonna be pretty, it's gonna be pretty exciting. I'm really excited. It's cold as hell. Like it's 32 degrees outside right now. I am absolutely freezing my little donut holes off. I'm freezing my little donut holes off right now. But what's up, Bread Gang? How are you guys doing? Today is Caffeine and Octane. We're gonna ride out with the boys. We've got Merc of NSB over here. Obviously the ugliest truck in the world. We've got that underscore H2, or yeah, that underscore H2. I'll make sure to put his link in the description below to his Instagram and his YouTube. Check him out on Instagram and YouTube. Today's gonna be an awesome day. I'm super excited. I have not had Bojangles since I moved to Atlanta almost a year ago. I have not had Bojangles, so I'm super excited to be back at Bojangles. Make sure you guys stay tuned on my Instagram. We will be dropping the date and the location for the next Bo Tally truck meet in Florida, so you guys need to stay tuned for that. I'm super excited to be back in the city, in the town, representing the 850, throwing the biggest, the baddest truck meets in the nation. Yes, in the nation. That's a pretty big statement, but we get this bread. Nobody gets this bread like we do. So let's run into Bojangles. Let's get something to eat. I'm really excited for this. I hope you guys are excited. Stay tuned. It has to be documented. We rented, I hope you guys know we rented this out. That's why nobody's here. I'm just kidding. Can I get a Cajun filet, chicken biscuit with fries and a large sweet tea?
Home of it. Now his truck's in the shop and then he backed out going this morning. He was like, I'm not getting up. I was like, okay. I have one.
Haven't even made it into the show yet and we picked up a hitchhiker. Say hello. Hello. So it's not a truck meet or show or whatever you want to call it if we don't do a 2-minute restaurant review, and I haven't been to Bojangles in a long time, so today we're going to go back to old reliable Bojangles. The gentleman that I picked up, Danny, I used to work with Danny at Discount Tire. I'll put his, wow, he just hit me with that piece of paper. I'm gonna put his Instagram in the video, like right here, so y'all go check him out on Instagram. So he takes great pictures. So if you guys remember, he was with me when we went to talk about the MCGAUGHYS partnership at the dam, if you guys remember that video. So we're at Coffee and Octane. We got 2 Hummers, Merc. We actually got 2 Avalanches, 2 Hummers with us that we rolled in with. We're just gonna walk around, see what kind of trouble we can get into, see how it goes. Shout out to Bojangles. Dan, I don't know. I don't know, Dan. I think this might be I know you were talking about doing the stubby bumper, but I think that looks good. You need to do that. The bronze wheels on it, bronze fuels. I like that. Clean with the blank lights on top. That looks really good. I like that. Do you think you can like walk like yeah, like you're saying, like the bottom section? You think you can walk on the bottom?
I wonder where the motor is.
Probably in the back. Well, it's got Ford hubcaps on it, so it's got to be some kind of a Ford. Yeah, it's probably like a Ford van. Freaking boat, driving boat. That's pretty cool. And people record, so like I almost
Like you having a apprentice or something.
Look at the Supra. I don't like the white wheels. Look at this thing.
I know you're busy. I'll come back in a minute, all right? My dad likes Volkswagens.
Come towards the front of the corner of the
That Gladiator behind me over there is a Jeep swapped Gladiator. Holy crap. Or Jeep swapped Gladiator. No,
it is
a Demon swapped Gladiator. I'm too cold for this. They're filming a TV show out here. Look at, you got the camera guy over there.
NBC?
Filming a show.
Dude. That's too cool.
The old GMC. Old square body Silverado down there. Nice. I like that. Ooh, LS swapped. Hey. Brian would be so happy. Look at the hatchbacks. I like this red color. The red color's cool, but the silver one like Brian's. Brian, you need to do this, man. Slam it. That's so cool. F250 with the forces on it. I like it. I like it. Burgundy color. He drives the hell out of this thing. I finally got to meet my boy with the two-tone Hellcat. Huge shout out to y'all. Make sure to go follow him on Instagram. He's coming up in just a second. All the other Hellcats are pulling out, so y'all need to go make sure to follow my man on Instagram at Hellcat. It's gonna be linked right here. Make sure to go follow my boy. Yes, sir. Hey, if you wouldn't get kicked out, I'd tell you to do a burnout.
That's right. You want to do it so bad.
I know you would.
Maybe you do it.
Oh my goodness. I think I need a Hellcat swap the truck. What you think? I didn't even notice this Jeep over here. The XF off-road wheels. Deep dish. I like that. I love that blue color. That blue color is nice. I hope you guys can see that in the camera. The freaking Jeep. Dang, that's big.
I don't give you my consent to film.
You're not giving me consent. What do you shut up? I always find the lifted vehicles out here. I always find them. We got the lifted Jeep over here. Oh, get out of the frame. What are you doing? Come on now. Lifted. Oh, 24s. I need some 24s on the truck. Really bad. Really bad. What?
Question. We were talking about single cab trucks. Lowering. What do you think about that?
taking the Mercedes back.
Ooh.
That is my dream.
That's it right there.
That's it, right?
Ooh.
Is that it? Oh! Oh!
Dang. This thing is clean. Holy crap. This thing is so clean. Dang. I like that. That's clean. I want one of these really bad. That might be my next build right there. Something like that. Something I can daily drive. Maybe not that big of a wheel, but something really close to this. We've come to Caffeine and Octane a bunch of times and I've never actually gone into the mall before, so me and the gang, say hello. Hello. We're gonna actually go into the mall today and see what kind of trouble we can get into in the mall.
Oh shit.
Fancy, this is like a fancy ass mall. I think they've got like Gucci in here and Versace and all that, like unnecessary, like Robin jeans, that kind of stuff. I'm hoping to see something at least that I don't get to see on a regular basis, but I don't know, we'll see.
Can I get pico? Whatever they do. Can I get cheese and lettuce?
You like cheese?
Oh yeah, I like cheese.
Christina doesn't like Chipotle anymore for whatever reason. So this is my one time to get Chipotle when she's not with me. So cheers. I was a little disappointed because there were no cool stores in the mall after we got Chipotle. There was like Michael Kors, but no Gucci, you know, Versace, none of those cool places. So we just kind of ate and then left. Everybody's gone. This is normal people parking now. There's no more nice cars anywhere. The entire parking lot that way, where the show was, is completely empty now. So I guess that means the show is over.
I don't know where this is going.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. We're putting a quart of oil in this Hummer, actually. Y'all make sure to go follow my guy on Instagram, _H2. His Instagram will be right in the right here. Hopefully it's under my finger. Hope you guys enjoyed the content today. Another caffeine and octane adventure. We're gonna go actually probably film part 2 to the Lifted Trucks Explore Atlanta series. So I hope you guys stay tuned. If that other video hadn't coming out, then it's gonna add on to number 1. But again, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Huge shout out to Bojangles. I miss you guys. Stay tuned for new dates coming for the Bow Tally Truck Meet. You guys are the best. Hit that subscribe button. Join the bread gang. As always, let's get this bread.
Get the spread.
Is it gonna focus on me? Is there? Say hello. Freedom _F150. Follow my man right here. We're not gonna do that today.
Dude, it's pretty damn wide.